Hello, I am Dr. Mohan Gadam. I'm a consultant attached to Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital and Global Hospital, Andheri West, Mumbai. I'm requesting you all to kindly join for a live webinar. The topic of discussion today will be heavy menstrual bleeding. This condition is so common that many women get affected with this condition right from puberty to menopause. The prevalence of this condition is very high all over the world. There are many therapeutic options of the modalities which are available for management of this condition. And what's one such new modality which is available now is a combination of dinogestan ethanol estradiol, which is a very promising option, and we are going to have a presentation on dinogestan ethanol estradiol. Thank you all. I also thank Alembic and DocMore, the digital knowledge marketing platform, for having this educational initiative. Thank you.